So apparently this is the best-selling microphone in the world. The Maono PD200W, a dynamic podcast style microphone. On paper this does quite a lot, but having lots of features doesn't automatically mean this is the best. So in this video I'm going to put it through its paces to see if it's actually any good. Let's go. So let's get straight to the unboxing. You can see it comes in quite a big package. The box looks really good with the yellow and black branding. In the front you can see the image of the actual microphone, and on the back is almost like a full user manual. You have a description, an overview, some features, and what's included in the box. So opening it up, the first thing you'll see are some user manuals. So you have one that's quite detailed and then another which is almost like a quick start guide. Then you have this box which has the receiver, 2 microphone suspension bands, a 2-in-1 USB adapter cable, and then you have a longer 2-in-1 USB cable, the arm base for installing this on a table, the dynamic microphone itself, and a level underneath that you have the arm itself. So you can see it's well packaged, giving you all the accessories you need to get started. The microphone already comes with the foam windscreen fitted over the top, and it also sits inside its own shock mount. So the bare minimum is kind of already done. All you need to really do is put them together. So in terms of design, you can see it looks like a fairly traditional podcast microphone. So looking around the microphone, you can see obviously the shock mount. The body is all plastic, but the arm itself and what it attaches to, that's fully metal, and it feels really strong. It feels quite light, which should mean it doesn't end up moving around or changing position because of the weight. So the arm should essentially hold it in any position you leave it in without the weight dragging it down. So as mentioned, it has the RGB lights around the control, but they are quite subtle, so it's not like the lights are just flashing in your face, which is good. The body feels really good. You've got the Maono logo running on the side, and overall it just looks really clean and well built. And then you've got the arm, which is super durable. This is fully metal and it's extendable, so you can position the mic exactly where you want it. And around the top you've got an RGB light, which you can change by simply pressing the power button. So as you can see now, it's recording and active. Now if I were to press the mute button, it should go red and then just go completely blank, meaning it's not recording anything. And now this is mute and it's not recording anything. Now you can see I've already set this thing up, but let me show you how that's done, and it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is start by attaching the microphone to the stand, plug the receiver into your device, and then switch the microphone on. The microphone and the receiver should automatically connect, meaning any device that this goes into, you can basically start using the mic from that device. For a laptop, it's also very simple. All you need is this adapter. So plug that in, and now plug this into the laptop, and now you can use this with the laptop. So as mentioned, all the main controls are at the top. The large knob lets you adjust the microphone gain, so you can make your voice louder or quieter. You can also use it to control the headphone monitoring volume. So you can basically do both those things with this scrolling knob. And then you've got the mute button, which cuts the audio completely. And then you've also got the button for noise reduction. So with each click, it cycles through 3 different levels. Now the biggest selling point on the Maono PD200W is that you have 3 completely different ways to connect it. The first is wireless. You plug the receiver into your device, turn the microphone on, and it connects over 2.4 GHz. Maono claims a maximum wireless range of around 60 meters with a clear line of sight. Realistically, you're not going to really need that because most people aren't carrying a podcast mic 60 meters away, but the fact that it's there is quite useful. The second option is USB-C. This is probably the most straightforward option for a desktop. And finally, the third option is XLR. This lets you connect it to a proper audio interface or mixer. Not something I have, but if that's something you ever need, you know the option's there. Now let's get to the part that actually matters, which is the sound quality. So far in this video I've been using the DJI Mic Mini 2, which is my go-to microphone. I'm now going to switch to the Maono PD200W. That should tell you straight away if it makes any difference and if the sound quality is better. And now this is me speaking through the Maono PD200W. Through my experience of using this for a few days, I felt that it feels more fuller and smoother and more like a traditional podcast microphone compared to something like the DJI Mic Mini 2. The DJI Mic Mini 2 feels a bit brighter and more open, whereas the Maono is kind of giving more weight to my voice. Now let's switch back so you can hear the difference once again. This is the DJI Mic Mini 2 and this is the Maono PD200W. Now, one difference I saw with these two, when recording with the DJI Mic 2 attached to my clothing and the Maono just sitting in front of me, the Maono was around 3 decibels louder than the DJI Mic Mini 2. Now, anything that's louder automatically sounds kind of better. So what I'm going to do now is normalize the sound so we get exactly the same kind of comparison where the emphasis is on the sound itself and not the loudness. So this is now the DJI Mic Mini 2. I'm speaking at my normal volume and the microphone is attached to my clothing. And this is the Maono PD200W, again around 10 centimeters away from my mouth and in exactly the same setting. And here are some more examples. Peter packed 6 silver speakers beside the busy desk. Peter packed 6 silver speakers beside the busy desk. 7 silent speakers streamed up surprisingly smooth sound. 7 silent speakers streamed up surprisingly smooth sound. And now I have a fan on in the background. So this is the sound from the DJI Mic Mini 2. And again, this is from the Maono PD200W with the fan on in the background. So for me, in terms of a seated video like this, I think the Maono definitely sounds better. It sounds more smoother and more focused, while the DJI sounds a bit brighter and thinner. That being said, the difference isn't massive at all. Once they've been volume matched, they're essentially giving you the same kind of output. Let me know in the comments what you think sounds better and if the Maono is actually worth transitioning to. Now let's talk about battery life, because that's another cool feature on this microphone. The PD200W has a built-in 2600 mAh battery. Maono claims around 38 hours with the RGB switched on and around 60 hours with it switched off. When the battery drops below 20%, the light around the knob starts flashing orange, and it'll remain orange while the microphone is charging and only turn green once it has been fully charged. But that shouldn't stop you from using the microphone, since this can be used whilst it's charging. Now in terms of price, you have quite a few different options and it depends which kit you go for. So the microphone is available with the desktop stand or a different boom arm, and you can also choose between the USB-C receiver or a version that supports cameras. This one in particular is currently only £105, so you can probably see why it's one of the best selling, because it's best for anyone with a budget. But it's worth exploring around and seeing the different options you have. They range from around £100 to £200. So if you're just starting a podcast or just want something to improve the quality of your sound, the PD200W is definitely one to consider. So to answer the question, do content creators actually need more than one microphone? I'm still going to say yes. So this won't completely replace all my mics, but for seated videos like this, I think I'd prefer to use the Maono PD200W. For everything else, the DJI Mic Mini 2. That's all for now. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!